Did you know that working with a realtor doesn't automatically mean they represent you? Hi, I'm Wilson Liano, realtor with eXp Realty, serving Red Deer in Central Alberta. In Alberta, there's an important difference between being a client and being a customer. A client has a written agreement with a realtor that means confidential advice, negotiation on your behalf, and full advocacy for your interests. A customer is not represented. The realtor must still be honest and provide accurate information, but cannot give confidential advice or advocate for you. Sometimes a realtor represents the seller while helping an unrepresented buyer as a customer. Or with written consent from both sides, the relationship becomes transaction brokerage, where the realtor acts as a neutral facilitator, treating both parties fairly. So before sharing confidential information, always ask, am I your client or your customer? I'm Wilson Leno with eXp Realty, guiding you home every step of the way. Call or text 403-307-5714.